Hi guys, welcome to the kitchen culture. Today we are making AKHROT halwa. Here I have taken 250 grams of walnuts. I am going to grind these to get fine granules. Add 1/3 cup ghee to a pan and let it melt. Add in the walnut granules and roast on low heat for 5 minutes. Next add 1 cup of milk. We have to keep stirring and cook on low heat until all the milk is absorbed. After 7 to 8 minutes, once all the milk is soaked in, this is how it looks. So now we'll add in 1/4 cup of sugar and mix well. Finish with half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Once the ghee separates, switch off the heat and serve hot to relish this delicious AKHROT halwa.